it's Jamila, and I wanted to come on. I have been laying low, y'all. I'm recovering from this gallbladder surgery, and I just wanted to come on real quick and do a cooking video. I'm gonna be making some chili. I got some inspiration for some healthy chili, and now that I have my gallbladder out, I have got to really step my game up. Like, I thought I ate pretty healthy, but I gotta even take it to a whole nother level. So for this chili, I'm gonna be using some ground chicken. I'm gonna use about a pound. Towards the end, I'm gonna be using some organic baby spinach. I'm using 2 yellow squash, 2 zucchini. I'm gonna be shredding up some carrot. I'm gonna be using some kale as well. I'm gonna be using a green bell pepper. I'm gonna be using some white onion, some fresh tomato. I may use some diced tomato if that's not enough. I'm gonna be using a can of Great Northern beans. I was gonna use 2 of these, but it was gonna be more of a white chicken chili, but I thought I had 2 cans of this, so it's gonna be kidney beans. So, yes, if you are interested in this healthy white chicken chili, stay tuned. So for my seasonings, I'm going to be using cumin. I always use El Guapo cumin. Just pick that up at Winco. I'm going to be using some pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to be using some garlic powder. A little bit of chili powder. I thought I had more, but I don't. So I'm going to have to use some of this. Don't tell Jarvis. Cayenne pepper. And black pepper. And a little bit of Italian seasoning. I'm going to go ahead. I added my meat in after my onions got translucent. So I'm going to go ahead and season this up. this is what it's looking like so far. I turned it down just a little bit. I didn't know it was bubbling like quite like this, but I added in all my spices as well to give my soup some flavor, my chili some flavor. So I added 4 cans of water to this, and I added my pink Himalayan salt, garlic, cayenne pepper, cumin, which it smells so good. I wish you could smell this. And I'm just gonna let it cook down and everything to get all tender, but I want to cook it like, you know, simmer it so all the flavors can get together. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. Everything cooked down. I didn't think it was all gonna fit in the pot, but I want to give it a good mix because I wanted it to cook down before I could really mix it together because there was so many veggies. But I am so excited to eat it. It looks so good so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna cover this up and let it cook down some more. But I didn't realize it was up so high, so I had to come turn it down. It's getting all over the place. So I actually had run out of chili powder, so I went to my mom's house, grabbed some more. So I just have had this on low. Sorry, Janess is in the background trying to be funny. So I added some chili powder to it, and now I'm putting in my bunch of spinach. And I'm just gonna let this all cook down together and wilt down, and I will come back and show you the finished product, but it's pretty much done. Okay, here is the finished product. This is actually the next day because you guys, I had to watch The Walking Dead, so this is my white chicken chili, healthy chili, and it's actually really good, and I just served it topped with just a little sprinkle of cheese and a dollop of sour cream. I love it because it's loaded with veggies. It had a really good flavor, and this is a step in a healthy direction. So thumbs this video up. Let me know if you try it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!